Today we're boiling some water on the go with our cool new portable electric kettle from Persuper. We'll show you all its cool features, but first, what's in the box? Inside the box, you have your manual, as well as your portable electric kettle. The kettle comes in a nicely padded box to make sure it arrives safe. The kettle can hold up to 450 milliliters, but recommends closer to 400 milliliters for room to boil. The kettle comes complete with a travel handle. Use this to clip to your bag or carry it with you. It also has a really grippy grip that grips well. Even if you aren't careful setting it down, the weighted bottom and Grippy Design really seem to hold it in place. It also has a watertight seal with pop-up lid. This keeps your liquid in when you're on the go and helps with tip-overs and spills. It also has vents to vent steam when boiling. On the back, you have your power cable hookup. The power cable can be found inside of your portable kettle. Unscrew the lid and slide out your last accessory. Plug it into the back and then into a power source. Then the portable kettle powers on. Pour in your water and you're all ready to go. The front of the device is touch activated. You can tap the button on the front to switch the preset temperature to 212, 195, 160, and 120 degrees Fahrenheit for all your different needs. After you select the temperature, the fast boil activates. It brings your water to a rolling boil in 6 minutes. Then it automatically shuts off after 3 beeps and keeps the temperature at a nice and warm 176 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to enjoy a nice glass of tea before bed and a hot coffee in the morning. So I've been using this to prep tea right in my office, as well as keep my coffee hot. There's nothing that I hate more than making a cup of coffee, getting busy, and then my coffee or tea being cold. But now that's a thing of the past. The inside of the kettle is made with 316 food-grade stainless steel and is BPA free to provide you with clean drinking water. Because of this, I've also been using the kettle to boil water and mix in oatmeal. Then just eat it right out of the cup. This is great when you're on the go and need to make some quick and dirty travel food. So whether you're looking to keep your coffee hot, make tea or oatmeal at your desk, or want to make some easy hard-boiled eggs, this electric kettle might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go see what other things I can cook in my new electric kettle. See ya!